Today we're going to be preparing a pan-seared Coulotte steak with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus, and we're going to finish it with a blue cheese sauce. Let's get started. There you have it, folks, a pan-seared Coulotte steak with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus finished with a blue cheese sauce featuring FoodPRO number 84430, which is an 8-ounce CHB Coulotte steak from Kern Meat. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.